You guys keep doing that, I'll just turn Candy Crush on and turn it up as loud as I can.
When we keep doing what?
Cracking every bone in your body. You're nuts. You're crazy.
Does
I've never heard of that.
Does it bother you?
I don't like it, and it's not good for you. Oh, Abby, stop it. Yeah, I'm telling you, someday, when you're old, you're going to be bent over, and you're going to have arthritis terrible. You wait and see if I'm not right. I won't be here to know it, but you will be. And you're going to say, Mima told us. Stop it.
It was good.
So, you need to stop. It's not good. Did you just do it again?
No, it's this little pop
Oh,
sound.
okay. Well, that sounds just like it. I'm telling you, you're going to hurt yourself. This twisting your back and standing on your backs and... What's crazy? It really is.